Okay, so this is a ThinkPad T470. Well, the complaint was that, yeah, that it wasn't working. So let's look at what is wrong. Why this T470 is not working? What could be the fault? What could be the problem? Yeah, plug in. We have a light. That's an error code there. That's an error code there. So what is that? Would that be RAM? Let's see. All right. Yeah. Wow, empty. You see that? That explains why the problem, why it's giving that error. No single RAM on this PC. It was complaining about absence of RAM. Yeah. So this is DDR4. Yeah. So let's check this. So the CMOS. Yeah. It has, yeah, system checks on bad default configuration years. Yeah, because it has to, go through that process. Yeah. Okay. So that is why it was giving a beep was because of RAM and not because the slot is bad. So with new RAM inserted, it's up and it's working.